Hey there, this is George Willingham, and I wanted to send you over a video today instead of just an email. And I wanted to thank you guys so much for the great pillow that I was able to purchase from your website. I can tell you that I have had a problem with snoring for about, oh gosh, I guess about 10 or 15 years. And it has really been a problem for my wife especially. Doesn't bother me too much because I get to sleep during the whole thing, but it keeps her awake at night. And so I didn't know what to do, and we live in a small town, and I thought, well, I can't go shopping for any cure, and so I went online and I found your website. Now the website helped me to understand why a pillow would make all the difference in the world. And so I bought the pillow, and you know, the pillows these things can be terribly expensive. Got a good price on your pillow, and I can tell you this thing works. The Snoreless pillow, it works. My wife is so much happier, and so I wanted to send you guys a video to thank you in person and to tell you I am recommending the pillow to my family and friends because I know that it works. Thanks a million. I'll see you guys later.